All right, guys, here we go. Looking at the 2 minute chart on Apple, and I might be too late here. I'm going to go ahead and get in here, taking a short position on Apple. The reason being is, let me set it up for you. Then we'll add to our short position. If we come back under, we can get there. Come on, under that blue dash line, previous resistance should be support now. There we go. And see if we can't get this thing going. And as you can see, we came, this was the high of the day right here. And then the second, and then actually, I think this one took out the second highest part of the day. And a lot of times they'll drive it back up into, we're looking for it to come down to the 20. Doesn't count unless you can put your target in there. We might take it sooner than that. Depends on how this candle closes. In other words, we might take profits off before we get down there, but that's what we're looking for. And then up, down, up. So on the reverse, basically this from the uh, if I can say it, from this tail, bottoming tail where it was all bought up, bought up, bought up, bought up. All this from the top to up here where that uh, line is. Let me start all over. All of that uh, would help if I got the right tool. Here down is one big green candle. Okay, if you think about it. And here's the top third, probably, well, right in here, bottom third. And we're wanting it to, come back under that top third, and that will give us higher odds, higher probability will come down to the 20 where that blue line is this moving average here, okay? And then right now we're just watching paint dry. So let me, for documentation, because timestamps don't lie, let me put the blue arrow there. That's the candle we got in on. And then we're just waiting for this drop to the 20. Okay, then also in that close to that location, we have this little low pivot here. We ran up, looked like we were going to roll back over. That caught itself. So basically just a pause candle, then it took off. So right around that area should be pretty decent, support. Uh, for Apple, when and if, I mean, you can draw this on the chart, but the market's always right, just like Mother Nature. And all thing you do is just kind of go along with it. Let me do better than that. Let's see. I have to work with this a little bit. Okay, one, two. Let's see if we can break it here. And again, I'll put you on pause. We still have over a minute to go on this current red candle, see if we can break uh, this zone up here. Then, we'll be back when the price action picks up. And let me come back in here. What we're looking for now is this two up into a red candle. But as you can see, um, we're not able to close, above halfway of that candle. So what you'll get is a big red candle. You get two green candles with a shallow pullback into it, and then you'll dump to the downside. Okay. So let's see if that comes to pass here. So we're going to put you back on. Well, we got 9 seconds, so we'll see if we get a flush to the downside here. Okay, here we go. And we're going to take profits here pretty quick. That might have been close enough for government work to the 20. Um, Trying to draw it out for you. Okay. 3, 290, 270. Oh, come on. Come on. Let's get another surge down. Man, they are fighting it. The Bulls are in there tough. Okay, 310, we're out. That's good. Now we're gonna see if we hit it. Okay. Then we should get a push back to the upside a little bit. And if we don't, man, Apple's in a world of hurt if we don't push up and out of here. Especially if we start closing under the 20 and that blue dash line. That's a big no bueno here. Consolidation, run, and then so. But anyway, we're already 6 minutes in there. I'll tell you what, we got about 27 seconds. We'll see if we get a green candle coming out of here. Ooh, that is not good. Should have stayed in, but of course, hindsight's always 2020. I mean, you have perfect trading skills, after you know after it already makes a move, but you got to be able to call the move before the move comes out. So yeah, there's a green candle, but I don't know. It might be too. We might have been under too much resistance here for it to do anything. So we'll probably, yeah, well, could come back in. But like I said, this is one big from here to the top, one big green candle, and let's see, about half of it. That's about halfway. So it could bounce here. It better. The Bulls better save it here, or it'll roll over. That'll just end up being a pause candle. In other words, this green candle is just a pause. Like they tried to fake it, but they couldn't make it. Then you know, but yeah, we'll have to. It'll have to close over the 20, the blue line, and obviously the blue dash line for it to count. But okay, guys, I'll get out of here. If you want to learn how to do this stuff, check out our Patreon site and check us out on Twitter for more information. Of course, our YouTube. But all right, have a great weekend, and we will see you on the charts.